Jai Hind, my dear students. The points we have discussed in the previous video: fractions, addition, subtraction and multiplication of fractions. Today we will learn how to multiply fraction by fraction. Multiplying fraction by fraction. To multiply a fraction by a fraction, we have to multiply 2 by 3 into 4 by 5. That is step 1. Multiply the numerators. That is 2 into 4 equal to 8. And then multiply the denominators. That is 3 into 5 equal 15. We got by 8 by 15. Simplify 8 by 15 if possible. But 8 by 15 is already in its lowest form. Second question. To multiply 2 by 5 into 2 by 7. First step, multiply the numerators. 2 into 2 equal 4. Then multiply the denominators. 5 into 7 equal 35. So we got 4 by 35. It is not possible 4 by 35. Simplify further. Because 4 by 35 is already in its lowest form. Product of fractions equal product of their numerators by product of their denominators. Let us do some questions. Find 1 by 4 of first sub question A 1 by 4, B 3 by 5 and C 4 by 3. So first prove 1 by 4 of 1 by 4. That is the question number sub question A. So we studied in the previous class of represents into. So 1 by 4 of is into 1 by 4. Listen here. Product of two fractions. How can we do? Yes. Product of its numerator. 1 into 1. 1 by 4 into 4. Product of its denominator. 4 into 4, 16. So, answer is 1 by 60. Second sub question B is 1 by 4 of 3 by 5. 1 by 4 of 3 by 5. 1 by 4 of is into 3 by 5. So, fraction by another fraction multiply. Product of its numerator. Numerator here 1, here 3. So, 1 into 3, 3 by 4 into 5. Product of its denominator 4 into 5, 20. Okay. Next question 1 by 4 of 4 by 3. Question number C is 1 by 4 of 4 by 3. So that is equal 1 by 4 into 4 by 3. Product of its numerator is 1 into 4. 4 by product of its denominator is 4 into 3, 12. See, here 4 and 12 we can simplify into lowest form. 4, 12. The highest common factor is 4, 12. Highest common factor is, yes, 4. So, we can divide at both numerator and denominator by 4. We get 4 divided by 4 is 1 by 12 divided by 4 is 3 4s are 12, 3. So, final answer is 1 by 3. Find Sub question A, 1 by 2 of 2 and 3 by 4. And second sub question is 1 by 2 of 4 and 2 by 9. So the first question A is 1 by 2 of 2 and 3 by 4. That is equal 1 by 2 of is into 2 and 3 by 4. Listen students, 2 and 3 by 4 is a mixed fraction. So change into improper fraction. How can we change into mixed fraction into improper? Yes, all number into denominator plus numerator by same denominator. So here 1 by 2 into mixed fraction, all number is 2. 2 into denominator 4. 2 into 4 is 8 plus numerator 8 plus 3. 11 by same denominator, that is 4. 11 by 4. Once more, 2 into 4, 8 plus 3. 11 by 4 equal. Here product of one fraction and another fraction. So take the product of its numerator. 1 into 11 is 11 by 2 into 4 is 8. Answer is 11 by 8. Listen, 11 is the numerator, is greater than the denominator 8. So this is an improper fraction. If we get the answer is in improper fraction, change into mixed fraction. So 11 divided by 8, how many times? 1 times. 1 8 is 8, balance is 3. So we can write as improper fraction into mixed as quotient into remainder by divisor. How? Quotient into remainder by divisor. So we get the answer is 1 9, remainder 3 by divisor is 8. 1 9, 3 by 8. And second sub question is 1 by 2 of 4 and 2 by 9. 1 by 2 of 4 and 2 by 9. So 1 by 2 of is into 4 and 2 by 9 is a mixed fraction. Convert into improper. So all number into denominator plus numerator by same denominator. So 4 into 9, 36 plus 2, 38 by 9. See, the numerator is in 38 and denominator 2. So we can cancel by 2, 38 and 2. Cancel by the highest common factor 2. 2 is how many times 2? 1 times 38. 38 in 3, 2 is 1 times. Then 1 balance 18 here. 9 2s are 18. Otherwise divided 38 by 2. 1 2 is 2. Balance 1. Take 8. 18. 9 2s are 18. Remainder 0. So 19 here. Then take the product of the numerator. 1 into 19. 1 into 19 is 19 by 1 into 9, 9. See here also numerator is greater than the denominator, in proper fraction change into mixed. So 19 divided by 9. 2 nines are 18, balance 1. So write it in mixed fraction. Quotient is 2, remainder 1 by divisor 9. So final answer is 2 and 1 by 9. Okay, next type is multiply and reduce to lowest form if possible. First question is 2 by 3 into 2 and 2 by 3. We know the product of one fraction and mixed fraction. First change into mixed fraction as improper fraction. Whole number into denominator plus numerator by same denominator. So 2 into 3, 6 plus 2, 8 by 3. Then look, any cancellation here possible? No common factors, numerator and denominator 2, 3, here 8, 3. So not possible. So take the product of the numerator. 2 into 8, 16 by 3 into 3, 9. Product of the numerator 2 into 8, 16 by product of its denominator 3 into 3, 9. See, 16 by 9. Numerator is greater than the denominator. So in proper fraction convert into mixed fraction. 16 by 9. 16 by 9. How many times? 1 times 9. Balance is 7. So we can write it as quotient, remainder, divisor. Quotient into remainder by divisor. 1 and 7 by 9. Listen, the second question is 2 by 7 into 7 by 9. Any cancellation here possible? Yes, 7 and 7. 7 is in numerator place and 7 is in denominator place. So we can divide it, cancel. We can cancel by 7. 1 times, same as numerator 7, 1 times. We can divide it by 7. Then again not possible. 2 and 9, no highest common factor. So product of the numerator 2 into 1, 2 by product of the denominator 1 into 9, 9. See, here the numerator is less than the denominator, that is in proper fraction. So this is the final answer. If we get in improper fraction, change into what? Yes, mixed fraction. Listen the third question. Third question is 3 by 8 into 6 by 4. In numerator and denominator 3, 6, 8, 4. 8 and 6 is an even number. So yes, the highest common factor is 2. So we can divide it by 2. How many? 4 2s are 8. 3 2s are 6. Next, any highest common factor? No. 3 3 4 4. No common factors. So take here the fraction, multiply another fraction. So take the product of the numerator. 3 into 3 is 9 by product of its denominator. 4 into 4, 16 is a proper fraction. So this is the final answer. Then fourth sub question is 9 by 5 into 3 by 5. So 9 by 5 into 3 by 5. 9, 3 numerator place, 5 denominator place. So here the cancellation we can reduce into lowest form. So multiply the product of numerator. 9 into 3, 27 by 5 into 5, 25. Here 9 into 3, 27 by 5 into 5, 25 is an improper fraction. So change into mixed fraction. 27 divided by 25. 1 times 25, remainder 2. So write it in quotient into 1 9, remainder 2 by divisor 25. 192 by 25 was the final answer. Okay students, the next type, multiply the following fractions. First question, 2 by 5 into 5 and 1 by 4. So we know the product of one fraction and mixed fraction. First convert the mixed fraction into improper. 5 into 4, 20 plus 1, 21 by 4. Then look, any cancellation is possible here. The numerator is 2. See this denominator 4. 2 and 4, the highest common factor is 2. So we can cancel by 2 and 4 by 2. 1 2 is 2. 2 2s are 4. Next is again any possible 1 21 numerator 5 2 not possible to cancel. So 1 into 21 by 5 into 2 10. See the numerator greater than the denominator, improper fraction convert into mixer, isn't it? So 21 divided by 10, 2 tens are 20, remainder 1. So write the answer is in mixed fraction, quotient into 2 and remainder 1 by divisor 10. So final answer is 2 and 1 by 10. Second question, 3 by 2 into 5 and 1 by 3. So 3 by 2 into 5 and 1 by 3 change into improper. 5 into 3, 15 plus 1, 16 by same denominator 3. Then check any cancellation possible or not. 2 denominator, numerator 16. So we can cancel by 2 and 16 by highest common factor 2. So 2 1 times 16 is in 8 2s are 16, 8. Then see here the numerator 3, denominator second fraction denominator 3. So 3 and 3 cancel by highest common factor 3. 1 3 is 3, 1 3 is 3. Then take the product of the numerator 1 into 8. 8 by 1 into 1, 1. So 8 by 1 means S equal to 8. Okay. The next question is 5 by 6 into 2 and 3 by 7 equal 5 by 6 into, change into this improper, 2 into 7 14 plus 3 17 by 7. Cancellation possible here or not? Not possible because the numerator 5 17, denominator 6 7. So take the product of the numerator. 5 into 17, 17 into 5, 7 5s are 35, 5 3 balance, 1 5 is 5 plus 3, 8, 85 by 6 into 7, 6 7s are 42. See, this is a improper fraction. Convert into mixed. 85 divided by 42. 42 is bigger divisor, is a greater number. So 42 into 1 is 42. 42 into 2 is 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 84. So that is where very nearest number is 84. So how many times? 2 times 84. Subtracting we get 1. So quotient into remainder by divisor. 2 and 1 by 42 was the final answer. Friends, listen the next question. Which is greater? First question, 2 by 7 of 3 by 4 or 3 by 5 of 5 by 8. So we want to find out which is greater. So do this first. 2 by 7 of 3 by 4. Take the product of means into 2 by 7 into 3 by 4. See any cancellation possible here? 2 and 4. The highest common factor is 2. So we can cancel by 2. So we get 2 and 4 cancel into 1 times. 2 2s are 4. So next any cancellation? The numerator 1, here 3, 7, 2. So cancellation is not possible. So take the product of the numerator. 1 into 3, 3 by 7 into 2, 14. We get 3 by 14 as the answer. Then find out this 3 by 5 of 5 by 8. 3 by 5 into 5 by 8. Listen. Here the numerator 1 5, denominator 1 5. So we can cancel by the highest common factor by 5. So we get 5 divided by 5 1. 5 divided by 5 1. In numerator 3 and 1. Denominator 1 and 8. No common factors. So cancellation is not possible. So multiply the numerator. 3 into 1, 3 by 1 into 8, 8. Answer is 3 by 8. We want to find out which fraction is greater. 3 by 40 or 3 by 8. So listen, here the numerator same 3, 3, denominator different. In this case, we can find out if the numerator is same, take the smaller denominator fraction is greater fraction. So this is the smaller denominator. That means 3 by 8 is greater than 3 by 14. So we can write as 3 by 8 as the answer of 3 by 5 of 5 by 8. 3 by 5 of 5 by 8 is greater than 2 by 3 by 14, that is 2 by 7 of 3 by 4. We can do this question on another method. Three by 4, 3 by 14, 3 by 14 and 3 by 8. Change into the denominator as equal. Then comparing, we can find out which is greater. So 40 and 8, find out the LCM. 14 in 2 times, 7 2s are 14, 4 2s are 8. Then 7 and 4, no common factors. So LCM is equal to 2 into 7 into 4. So equal 2 into 7, 14 into 4, 56. Then 3 by 14. This 14 change into 56. Multiply the denominator by 4. Same as multiply in the numerator. And 3 by 8. 8 change into 56. Multiply by 7 on both denominator and numerator. So we get 12 by 3 into 4. 12 by 56 and 21 by 56. Here the denominators are same. So compare the numerator. Numerator 21, 12. Which is greater? 21. So we can conclude 21 by 56 is greater than 12 by 56. That 21 by 56 is equal to 3 by 8 is greater than 12 by 56 is equal to 3 by 14. That means, see here the two answers are same. So you can do in any one method. So we can conclude 3 by 5 of 5 by 8 is greater than 2 by 7 of 3 by 4. Students, same model, one more question. Which is greater? 1 by 2 of 6 by 7 or 2 by 3 of 3 by 7. So 1 by 2 of 6 by 7. We can write as 1 by 2 into 6 by 7. Then cancellation by 2, 2 and 6. 2 1 time, 6 3 times. So multiply the numerator 1 into 3, 3 by the denominator 1 into 7, 7. So final answer we get 3 by 7. Then find out this 2 by 3 of 3 by 7 equal 2 by 3 into 3 by 7. By cancellation, here numerator and denominator 1 3 is here. So cancel, we get 3 3. 1 3 is 3, 1 3 is 3. So cancel 1. Then no cancellation here, not possible. 2, 1, 7. So take the product. 2 into 1, 2 by product of the denominator 1 into 7, 7. Listen students. Comparing this 3 by 7, 2 by 7. Denominator same. So we can easy to find out 3 by 7 is greater than 2 by 7. That means 1 by 2 of 3 by 7 is the answer of 1 by 2 of 6 by 7. 1 by 2 of 6 by 7 is 6 by 7 is greater than 2 by 3 of 3 by 7. Question. Sally plants 4 saplings in a row in her garden. The distance between 2 adjacent saplings is 3 by 4 meter. Find the distance between the first and the last sapling. What is the meaning sapling? Sapling is small plants. So, here 4 saplings arranged in a row. Listen. See, these are the 4 saplings arranged in the row. The distance between 2 adjacent saplings. Distance between 2 adjacent saplings is 3 by 4 meter. Same as here also 3 by 4 meter. Adjacent 2 sapling. Same as here also 3 by 4 meter. So in between how many distance? 1, 2, 3. 3 adjacent saplings distance. So we want to find out the distance between the first and the last sapling. So the distance between first and last saplings, the distance between the first and the last sapling equal 3 times 1, 2, 3. 3 times 3 by 4 meter distance. 3 times means multiply by 3. Otherwise we can do by 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4. 3 by 4 added by 3 times. That means 3 into 3 by 4 meter. So we get, see here, multiply one whole number and a fraction. How can we multiply? We studied in the previous video. Multiply the whole number into numerator of the fraction. So 3 into 3, 9 by, here 1 meaning. 1 into 4, 4 meter. 9 by 4 is a, yes, improper fraction. Convert into mixed fraction. 9 by 4. 2 4s are 8, 1 balance. Quotient, remainder, divisor. So, quotient into remainder by divisor. 2 and 1 by 4 meter. So, distance between the first and the last sapling. First and the last sapling equal 2 and 1/4 meter. The next question is, the car runs 16 kilometer using 1 liter of petrol. How much distance will it cover using 2 and 3/4 liters of petrol? So, car runs in 1 liter petrol 16 kilometer. We want to find out the car. How much distance will it cover using 2 and 3/4 liters? So, car runs in 1 liter petrol. 1 liter of petrol equal 16 kilometer. And given car will run in 2 and 3/4 liters of petrol equal 16 into 1 liter petrol 16 kilometer. So, car will run in 2 and 3/4 liters of petrol equal 16 into 2 and 3/4 kilometer. So, equal whole number into a mixed fraction. So, 16 into mixed fraction change into improper. 2 into 4, 8 plus 3, 11 by same denominator 4. Then multiply 16 into 11/4. Listen here. 16 and 4. We can cancellation using here. 4 and 16. 4 1 times 16. 4 4s are 16. Then multiply the numerator. 4 into 11. 44 by 1 into here, meaning by 1. Yes, 1 into 1. 1. 44 by 1. Yes, 44 kilometer. That means car will go 44 kilometer in 2 and 3/4 liters of petrol. Clear all of you? Your today's homework questions. Okay, write the relevant points and problems in your notebook. Thank you, students.